Hey everybody, welcome to an instructional video on how to install a hard drive. This is my first time installing a hard drive into a computer. I read that it was fairly easy, and at the end of it all, it was a fairly quick and easy task. A couple things that you will need are SATA cables, power cables. Double check to make sure that you have the appropriate ones for your particular hard drive, and make sure that it is the one that you want. Different hard drives come with different capacities, storage, and uses, and depending on what you're looking to do with your hard drive is what you should buy. So first things first, you gotta order your package. I ordered mine through Amazon and it was quick, showed up a couple days later. I got a Western Digital 2 terabyte hard drive, and this is the blue Western Digital. Unplug everything from your computer and remove the outer casing so that you can get access to the inside of your computer. Use this time to clean off any vents that you see, fan outlets. If you haven't cleaned your computer in a long time, this is one of the better chances that you'll have to really reach in there and pull out any dust bunnies, give it a good wipe down, maybe use some canned air to blow out anything. You open your package, and really it's quite simple. It's plug and play. You match the outlet to the right cable and just click it in. Screw the hard drive into place. Attach your shell again, and then that's pretty much it as far as the inside of the computer goes. Plug in all of your cables, USBs, power, HDMI, DisplayPort, Ethernet. Then say a little prayer. Hopefully everything runs. Hit that power button and wait. With this, because I didn't really do any sort of hard rewiring or programming, Windows should automatically boot up again. So there's my Windows booting up. Right click on the one that's new and hit new volume, hit next, and then it's going to ask how much of the new hard drive you want to allocate for storage. So choose the maximum, pick the letter that you would like, X, Y, Z, P, if your favorite letter is available, and then rename your hard drive to whatever you want to store on it. I particularly labeled this one as media and games. Click next, and that's pretty much it. Your new hard drive shows up in your system and it's ready to go. As you can tell here, my old hard drive was pretty much maxed out, so I did a lot of transferring from one to the other. Thanks again for watching this quick and easy instructional video on how to install a hard drive. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comments, subscribes, and share if you know someone who is looking to expand their internal hard drive for their computers. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.